Okay, this is the rear diff breather installed. You got your hose, zip ties, 11mm. I'm using a ratchet ringy and a deep socket. That brass fitting's going to go straight into the top of the diff. The clamps obviously put the hose on it, and the 14mm is to remove the factory diff breather. So this shouldn't take too long. Righto, this is underneath obviously the rear of the car, so that's the breather there. If anyone's wondering, it's a 14mm. So we're going to take that off and replace it. I'm having heaps of fun because it's pouring rain and has been for a week. Yeah, this is really cool. This couldn't be much easier so far. Once you got that thread on, just send it home. With that guy obviously being brass, you don't want to push the issue too much. But that's about all there is to this, and then we'll slip the hose over and then have the fun of running that to the front. Not sure if I'm going to use a T-piece yet or not, but we'll get to that. Okay, that's the breather done there. Obviously had to do up that clamp, so I forgot to bring a screwdriver under. I didn't actually use a screwdriver, I used an old cheap, just 1/4 inch 7mm. Just gives you a bit more send on that clamp, and it's not slipping off every 2 seconds like a screwdriver. So now to route this to the front, this is going to be fun.